After more than a week of warm, dry, quiet weather here in north central Florida, it's all about to change with a front on your Tuesday. From the WRUF Weather Center, it's time for your weather on the 6s. We've been tracking the front for many days, and it is sure making noise across the central U.S. on your Monday. Look at the spin up of thunderstorms there. Pretty powerful storm system. It's not uncommon to get one of these this time of year as the seasons battle it out. You got the warm, humid air ahead of the front and the cool air clashing with it behind the system, and the result is that line of thunderstorm activity that's already produced now more than 30 reports of wind damage. This one's as of midday Monday. I'm expecting several more reports to come in, maybe even an isolated tornado or two across the Tennessee River Valley Monday night into early Tuesday, especially in those orange shaded regions there from Memphis to Nashville, and then even a low risk stretching all the way down to the Gulf Coast states Monday night. And that includes the Panhandle on Tuesday. I think the greatest chances for severe weather are probably closer to Atlanta, Macon, up toward portions of South Carolina, but we can't rule out some strong thunderstorm activity even here in north central Florida on Tuesday. Here are the impacts of the front to us. We do have a very low risk of some minor wind damage. I'll time out the rain for you, and I'll show you how much your backyard may receive as well. First, on this map, notice how isolated those little spots of yellow are. Those are the areas that could have some very minor wind damage when the actual thunderstorms come through. Most of that's to the west of Gainesville prior to 2 o'clock on Tuesday, and then where there's more daytime heating closer to I-95 and where that Atlantic sea breeze might interact, that's where the chances are a little higher Tuesday evening. Can't rule it out when the actual front comes through late Tuesday night or early Wednesday, but once again, that risk for severe weather pretty low here in north central Florida. The heaviest of the rain will probably be late afternoon Tuesday and then maybe again early Wednesday morning. Your morning commute Tuesday will be fine. Your lunch hour Tuesday should be dry, but by 2 or 3 o'clock, here comes the bands of rain. A lot of that pushes to our east during the evening hours, but because the front hasn't cleared us yet, another round will probably develop Wednesday morning, eventually clearing Gainesville and Ocala by Wednesday afternoon. Not a whole lot of rain, and it's probably going to be a fairly progressive system, so we're not looking at any flooding potential per se, but certainly a good soaking rain for much of north central Florida. Many areas about a ½ inch to an inch. Some higher amounts where some of these thunderstorms may be a little stronger from that corridor from Lake City to High Springs to Chiefland. Temperatures overnight tonight, very mild, only near 70. The clouds and the rain keep us cooler for your Tuesday, only reaching the low to mid 80s. But then the humidity drops by Wednesday night and Thursday, and it's going to feel much nicer. Check out the rest of your week with my updated 6-day forecast. Starting Thursday, some beautiful weather, highs in the low 80s. Nights will be pleasant, dropping into the mid to upper 50s. Don't forget to follow us at WRUF Weather for downpour alerts.